Hello YouTube, welcome to the last video of this to-do list project. This will be a small video. We just have to add the delete functionality for to-do tasks. Let's begin. Let's first have a look to what all things we have done till now. Python -py run server, and this is how our UI looks for now. Our task, only this functionality we have added. So to add we delete functionality, we will have to add another view, that is delete underscore task function. We will be creating it, request, and then task ID. These two will be the parameters. Then task, we will first fetch our task using get underscore object underscore r underscore 404. So this function helps us to fetch our data from our model. Here our model name is to-do list, using the ID, and the ID will be task ID that we will pass in as a parameter to this delete underscore task function. We have to first import this function. It is a Django's input inbuilt function, get underscore object underscore 404. Then we will delete the task, and then we will return and redirect it to the to-do list URL that we have already made in our urls.py. Where.py. Now for the view delete underscore task, we have to add a path to it. So path delete slash int when task underscore id. Now task delete underscore task view that we have created. And in this path, we will add our view delete underscore task along with the name parameter. Name is equals to import delete underscore task. This name parameter along with the path we have set delete slash int colon task ID. We'll be using it in our front end. Anchor tag with href. This anchor tag will refer to the path that we have just now set in our urls.py. So how we will refer it? We will refer it to the path by using its name parameter. Along with that, we will send the task ID. And then we give this class bootstrap CSS, BTN danger for red color button, magenta 2, and delete text for this. This is the delete functionality is ready. Let's see. Yes, it is working good. All tasks are deleted. Let's add a new task and delete it and check it. Done. So that's all for this to-do list project in Django. Thank you.